I don't know if we can get ODI series against them because we have done well against the associate teams, right? Now it will come down to how much we are able to present our best skills, and I'm only talking about our best skills because the expectations challenges the mindset. So for me, if I'm visualizing and if I'm imagining right now a team playing against two big nations like India and Pakistan, the only thing which I want to enjoy from the dressing room along with them is how much they are present to those one ball battles. And at least they present their best skills which they know at the moment, their strengths. And if we are able to compete and if we are able to put up a good show in that match, hopefully we'll earn enough respect from these full member teams to get some of those bilateral series which you're looking for. That sounds pretty new. It's like walking into the unknowns which we talk about. And the excitement will be to see how our boys stay present. मेरे ख्याल से, sorry, I'm mixing a little Hindi, but if that's okay. सबसे important जो dressing room से what I could understand is how much you are switched on for those battles, and it was evident. This game have happened over 2 days, so we got a combination of an experience of 150 overs match, but more importantly a feel of test match. So happy for the boys. We're happy for the boys and looking forward to this whole journey again. There are many definitions to our happy dressing room. That much I can say. There are many definitions to our happy dressing room. They are all determined to write a story for themselves, and for themselves together. I think they want to leave a very strong message to everyone in world cricket and to themselves, to their families, to their friends, to CAN Association, to the Nepal country, is that they belong. They belong. They are working very hard to keep on rewriting and developing their identity. And I'm very proud of them so far, whatever they have done. We exercised it the same way, more than my message. I think I wanted to ensure that I question them, what is important now. And the response was very clear that we need to just stay in present and think about how to get that last wicket when we come back here tomorrow, and then look forward to chasing whatever score is being put up for us to chase. So I thought the mindset was very clear. That is what I enjoyed about the boys. The mindset was very clear. Not to prove the point, but the plan was definitely put him at number 3. That was definitely the plan. And he's a good cricketer. Look, Gulshan is growing. He's young. I know his fast bowling is somewhere where we also trying to make sure that he keeps on getting better. But it's a journey, right? Every time you play, you gain some experience. And then what you do with that experience is the most important thing. What Gulshan does is, he reflects well. He reflects well what he has done well, and then he works on the areas that he needs to get better at. Today what you saw with Gulshan's batting, I think it was tremendous. To handle that pressure, and for a youngster to handle that pressure, he is showing some very good character. At the moment he is a good cricketer. Over the years, when he keeps on getting more and more exposure against some good sides, I expect him to become even a better cricketer. Well, I'm only hearing it from you right now, so I'm not even aware of something like this is in place. But I think if everyone has understood, there were 10 countries, okay? 10 countries who came up with a dream, not even came up, that is not even the right word, came with a dream to this tournament. They are all working hard in their own countries. Then you reach to this place, this position, where two teams are fighting for that one spot. It's huge amount of stake, when you look at the prize to qualify and play against a full member team. If there is something like this right now cooking up, I don't know, I don't want to comment, but I'm hoping and I'm praying that it is not true, number one thing. I keep saying this, we all love this game. When we loved this game, there was no, upside to it. जब हम बच्चे थे ना, I mean, I'll say this in Hindi. जब हम बच्चे थे ना, बैट और बॉल पकड़ते थे, तभी हम लोग ये नहीं सोचते थे कि कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है, हमको खेलना था, हमको एंजॉय करना था. आई थिंक दिस इज एग्जैक्टली दैट पोजीशन. अब ये बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, उनको थोड़ा और एंजॉय करने दो, फुल मेंबर टीम के साथ भी एंजॉय करने दो, थोड़ा और उनको समझने दो कितना उन्होंने अचीव किया, कितना नहीं अचीव किया है. दे डिजर्व दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. होपफुली इट विल बी इन प्लेस. आई एम समवन हु लाइक्स टू learn a lot more from the fundamentals of the game. What I mean by that is, a lot of greats have created history in the past. I am a student of this game, and every time I actually dig into the history, I realize some teams, when they have become from good to great, there are very clear things which comes out. One is the players getting the experience. In 3 months, these guys have got the experience of playing under pressure so far. And pressure of not just their own expectation, pressure of the whole nation's expectation. I think from here on, if they keep on getting platforms consistently, along with that, hopefully, we keep on getting support towards our infrastructure so that the players can enhance their skills and the exposure. I have said this before as well, that I'm very keen to look forward to having a Nepal A team as well. We have done it now so many times with the performance. New faces have stepped up. If they get a lot more exposure with one more team which can play and participate in the tournaments around, in few years' time, I'm sure, we can hope and we can dream that we'll be one of the full member teams, and we are seen a lot more consistently every year. One day it will be great to see over here in TU a test match. That is something which even I dream now. Only 3 months here, but the kind of feel which you get on this ground with all the fans, you feel as if, there's something good about this ground. Hopefully one day we can play a test match here. I don't know.